Hello, hello, hello. Hello and good evening to everyone. How are we doing today? How is everything going? How are we doing? This is my stuff now. Stay here. Uh, hello, hello. Moment, I have to put my headphones on. Hello, hello. Everything set up, I guess. I think so. Okay, let's go. So, the last time we left it here. Let me fix this here. Okay. So last time we left it here, but off stream I made some slight adjustment. Not slight, I just added some stuff. For example, here I added this simple shader here. As you can see, a simple shader, I guess, to make some explosions. And that's it. Now, I was working on this, I didn't finish it, so I said I will finish it in stream. Well, let's finish it in stream actually. Let's hide the shader. And errors here, put it down. I think we're in the final steps of anyway, I was saying that I made this simple shader for explosion. When you kill the enemy here, it triggers this explosion. I was setting it up off stream, now I continue it on stream. So let me grab my armature to hide here. And we can hide it here. That visible is equal. And we die, we set it to true. Okay, simple stuff, simple stuff. Let's try. I think this one's gonna work fine. Huh. Okay. I think it's staying too long. Let me just make it a bit lower, 0.1. Just 0.1. Maybe this will fix it. Okay. And I have to stop its movement. Position that this one here. maybe is equal to 0. Maybe that will send it away. I don't know. Yeah, it's sending it away. I'm just gonna let's do like this dot z z z. Sorry. Just gonna freeze it in place. I can do process, but process will freeze everything. Like even the functionality. Yeah. No. Here we just do maybe speed is equal to 0, for example. Let's try this. This might work. Yes, it's working indeed. I have to fix this shader. No. Maybe I make it so small here. Like -20. And in the script, we just access this shader here. Give me a moment. This 0.8, for example. Let's see now. Yeah, no, it did nothing. It did absolutely nothing. I have to make it a timer, for example. Let's see. Let's see. I need the tween for this, I guess, if I remember correctly. Let's look. Tween Godot, maybe. I don't remember how to use the tween. Tween. Let's do tween equal to create tween. And let's set tween dot tween property. The object is math and set. Let me see if this is gonna work correctly. The method and it's originally is in 0.0 and 0.8. Maybe. I think that's the timer. Give me a moment. Yeah, this is the timer. 0.8 and 0.1 second or 0.2 seconds. Let's increase this to 0.3. So we see if it's gonna. Do I remember correctly how to set this one? Property duration. 2, for example. Let's do 2. Let's increase this to 1. Duration to 0.5, for example. Just for testing, just for testing. I don't know why it does like that. Okay. I don't know. Let's turn down this a bit. Queen is not working. Let's just do 2, for example. It's gonna play anyway, no? So why we need to do a twin or anything? If it's gonna play. That looks like he became the sun. It's okay. I wanted to increase that one. One like this. Yeah, this one to increase it with time. Times 0.1 times delta. Maybe. No. Explosion amount. Isn't this explosion amount? Is this? Okay. And this one we put 0 here. Let's see if it changed anything. Why? I removed this. Ah, no, I need this one. Okay. Let's delete this one here. Explosion amount. That stays like that. Okay, okay. Hopefully. It doesn't increase. No. ++2. I don't think it's gonna work, but it's okay. Ah, no. I need a variable here. Let's call var I is equal to 0. And this is the thing about this one. Is equal plus 0.1. And this one, I'll call it I here. I wanna print this by. Maybe I found something. I wanna go to the player here somewhere. I have this print test here. Print. Not here, not here. Not here, of course. I think I'd player. Yeah. Okay, let's see. It doesn't add. Why? Why this one doesn't add? This is annoying. Is it gonna work like this? Probably. Probably. I don't think it's working. Let's give this here. 0.1 times delta. Or 2 times delta. Maybe. Maybe 2 times delta. Whoa. That is the sun. No. No. That is not working. I did. This should be working, by the way, but for some reason it is not. Ah, it's in process. So it should keep continuing like +1, +1, +1. Var last equal to 0. And last is equal to I. I don't know what I'm doing at this point. I really don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, it's gonna stay 2, but I don't want that. I don't get it. There's really something wrong with this. Let's give you 0. Okay. Let's do like this, delta, and let's print you and see. It doesn't really matter. So this one is not incrementing. Why? Because I'm putting it not there. Okay, let's put it in the here, for example. Okay, let's put it there. It's not incrementing. Why? I really don't understand this. Okay, I think I know the issue here. I think I should declare it outside of the process function. Maybe. Yes. Was outside the process function. I plus equals 0.1. Let's see here. Good. But maybe we'll make it a bit slightly intense just to make that flair. Okay, and the timer is gonna be 0.2, for example. And here we set I to 0 as well. So the next enemy will be too much, too much, too much. 0.02. How about that? Or maybe delta time is better, no? Oh, no. I think that delta should be good enough. Or the timer here will be just 1 second, 0.2. So, oops, no, 0.15, because 15 is less than 2. I guess. Come on, come on. 118, maybe. Maybe 0.18. I really don't want to go near 0.2. Why? Okay, let's increase this a bit. Times 1. No, delta. Delta is slow, so let's do 0.01. And let's see. Hopefully that this 0.01 is enough. No, it's not enough. 0.2, no, 0.05. Too much. Okay, 0.02. Okay, this is the last one. I swear, I promise. The last one, the last test. No, no, I lied. 0.3. I just wanted to make it to feel good. To feel good like an explosion. I know it's not that good, but okay. I think this one is a bit perfect. You light him on fire. It's not an explosion, it's a nuclear bomb. Okay, let's add more layers. Uh, yes, victory, but we still have some stuff to fix here. I think. Did I lie? No, I didn't lie. Okay, perfect. It's either I really don't want to do a following. Like if it reaches the player, the enemy reaches the player. I don't wanna make it make him stop and hit him. Too much work. I really wanna just be done with it. And I'm just gonna make it hit more than 50%. Kill more than 50% of enemies. And we can call it a day, I guess. Okay, so let's go to spawner. Uh, Here, I want to print total here and see how many enemies I'm gonna finish hitting. Okay, can I move here? Ah, I don't have the input. 5, 10, 0. Okay. Why it's still spawning? Okay. So instead of this victory thing here, is if total is bigger than spawn enemy else, L if here total is smaller or equal 0, okay, wave has ended. So in the bullet here, I want to keep track of. Let's do, what is the main here? Var enemy killed is equal to 0. Okay. And here, so var total and total enemies. I cannot write for shit today. 20. Let's go to enemy spawner. We remove this and main dot total enemies. Let's keep this here. Main dot total enemies, and the same thing goes for all of this. Checking the yo, hello to everyone. If you are here in the stream watching, don't be shy and drop a comment or chat with us here. We're lonely. Anyway, anyway, so I want to print this stuff and see how many enemies we have. Okay, start spawning. Why is it spawns like +5? Mine plus other 5. I think it's fine. Have to kill them all here. There is one still. Okay. Okay. So we want the total killed in the bullet here. Main dot total killed. It's enemy killed, not total killed. Plus equal 1. Hello again, guys. If you are here watching, come join us or join me. It's just me. Join me and chat with us here. We are developing, making a mobile game, which is those fake games, and we're making it true. Yay for me. Anyway, main enemy killed +1, and in the test here, where did I do it? If main enemy wave ended. Let's do here just what the hell is it called? Canvas layer, and we add in it progress bar, I guess. I think let's make it like this, and in the test we grab this, and in the process function, my code is so messy. Dot in the ready function here, var red. What am I doing? Progress bar dot max value is equal to main dot total enemy. Why did I do total enemy killed? Yeah, in the progress bar we're just gonna do max value progress bar dot value. This is just to show the total enemy. This show the wave. How big is the wave? And here we do the progress bar dot value equal to main dot total enemy. Sorry guys. Sorry guys. Okay, that's 100%. It's the spawning. Yeah. I have to remove that -5%. I don't know why it's spawning it. Okay. I wanna check the total enemy and the enemy kills. Friend. Main dot total kills. Enemy kills. Enemy killed. How do I get a percentage? I don't remember. I'm killing them all. See, I have 5 more. I don't know I have 5 more. I have 5 more. I didn't set 5 more. Okay, I think it's because of enemy spawn, because of this range here. Let's do if here. If main dot total enemy is bigger than 0. Okay, if main here is bigger than 0, then we can do this stuff. Only then. No, give me a moment. I wanna unprint this. Okay. I swear if you spawn 5 more, I'm gonna kill you. Why? Why? I did what is has to be done. If total enemy is bigger than 0, you can spawn. You can do this instantiate. I did it 2 times, by the way. What if I do it just here? It's the same thing. I do it after this stuff. After spawning. Okay, let's see now. Okay, now it's 0. Still. Are you spawning five more? I think it's spawning five more without. Oh, okay, okay. No one will see this. No one will know about this. Uh, so we want total enemies. Where is the test here? How do I do percentage? I don't remember. I do not remember. Mm, let's do a function here, and it will be calling function percentage, and let's give it here. Uh, give it a number here, num, and a percentage. And here we do return, I guess, num times, I think percentage, percent divided by 100, not 1,000. And here we do, let's see, what is the percentage of print? I'm just in the ready, print percentage of 20, 50% of 20. Hope it's working. I really do hope it's working. What do you mean 0? That doesn't make any sense. %50 of 20. It should be 0.2, I guess. 10. What am I saying? 0.2. Am I doing something wrong? This should be percentage of 50. Okay, let's do it this way. The first way. Let's do var percentage is equal to 50, for example. And I want to take print, or let's just do var res is equal to main dot enemies times percent divided by 100. No, I didn't print that, by the way. Print this. And do me some magic, please. Why it is 0%? It should be 10%. Let me look in Google. First, 50. No, what the hell did they do? 50, 50% of 20. It's 10. Okay, let me look the formula. Calculate percentage formula. Okay, part whole times 100. So let's take the percentage will be part divided by whole times 100%. Our part is gonna be 50, for example, 50 divided by the aim dot total enemies times 100. And let's see now. 200. Why is 200 now? For wait, to calculate the percentage, use the formula part whole times 10%, 100% is equal to percentage. Where do you divide the specific amount? Part by the total amount, whole, and then you multiply by the decimal of 100. So I think I flipped this. Let's do 50 here. Why does it give me 200? No, the part is the main. The main total enemy, which is 20. If I'm not mistaken, total enemies is 20. And we want to divide it by 15%. We want to divide it by this is making me crazy. The part number of total of students. It is like that. I think I did it correctly. This should be like this, and this should be float, I guess. Yes. Show me the float here. Why 0.0? Okay. Of 20. No, 50% of 20. 50% is the explanation to calculate. Okay. Let's do this other one here. Let's do it here, main. Okay, I'm looking for the in the formula, and I don't know why it's giving me this. It's part here 100%, and the part is 50. Okay. Oh, amuse me, please. Why is given 4%, 0%? It should be 0.2, 0.22. Okay, let's do something. Hundred percent. Here, 100%. It's like I never did math. Like never did math. I think it's the symbol. My symbol in Godot. Ah, something is really wrong. Something is really wrong. I just wanted the percentage. Let's do 20 here. 40. What is 40? Are you joking with me here? Convert 50% at decimal by dividing. Okay, let's do here. 100, 0.5, 0.1 times 100. Okay, we fixed it. Had to put the decimal number, not the whole 50. Okay, okay. This is the percentage. And let's do here var res is equal to 0. And here we do the calculation. No, here var res1 load it. There is an indent problem. Float and res is equal to res1 times 100. Okay. If this and if and if res is bigger than 20, bigger than 10, for example. And if res bigger than 10, what am I doing? Total main dot. Yeah, I can do it. Hello, welcome to the stream. I guess I can do it today. Enemy killed. If res is bigger than enemy killed. I'm trying to do this stupid mathematics, which I hate in game development. I really hate it. A simple percentage doesn't want to work. But which game? Ah, Minecraft. Yes, for sure. For sure. Everyone made Minecraft. Like there are a lot of videos about people making Minecraft. And res. Okay. I will get your subscription from in like 10 years or something. If main enemy killed, how can I code? I cannot code. My coding skills are Very, very poor. I just enjoy doing it. I mean, I study it, but still I suck at it. Okay, let's see now. This is the game, by the way, if you are curious. Ah, yeah, I have the chat overlay. Let's see, I killed I don't know how many. Okay, this is enough. Let's see. All of them will die, all the wave will finish. Surely. I won. No, I'm not finished yet. I am not finished yet. Still have to add some stuff. But I don't think I'm gonna do it in mobile, like in Play Store or something. It's a bit of a hassle, and I might uh, I might put it in itch.io, and you can enjoy it there. Gonna be on on the browser, so maybe you can play it even in the phone. But on App Store or Play Store, so much of a hassle for this simple game. I want to keep track of my name that enemy killed. How you like the game so far, huh? It's fun, right? Okay, I have 2 killed so far. So I have to get you low. You lose the screen. Yeah, it's very stupid. Those ads you see on the social media. I'm trying to recreate one. I didn't take so much time to recreate it, to be honest. All this process, it took me like, what, 5 hours? 6 hours? Okay. Where is my Yulu screen? I missed something. Uh, no, I used Unity for in like 5 years, I guess, or 6 years ago. No, before even. It's like in 2017, 18. Uh, I used it, but since they did that subscription thing and Donald stuff, that controversy about paying for each install, uh, I switched to Godot. Godot is nice. Maybe I'm gonna go visit Unity again. It is cool for 3D. Bye. So I don't use Unity. Bye. Okay. Anyway, why I don't see my if main is bigger than rest, victory is main smaller than rest, game over. Why didn't I get game over? Should have gotten a game over here. But hey, thank you for joining. Thank you for joining, Yanis Gammer. No, I was reading the chat. Let me see here. This should result in a game over because I don't have enough kills. So what are you doing wrong, Godot? What is your problem, Godot? Okay, test area. Enemy spawn. Now I should get game over spawn. So why I'm not you getting it? Why I am not getting it? Now, please, please. I don't have spawns like enemy spawn. They're all dead. What is that? You see that? It's a yellow thing there. The hell is that? What is this? Oh, it's my enemy spawn. Oh my god. My enemy spawner, I was like, what is that? Okay, I wanna see why. And main. So we have the res is I am doing this calculation anyway. I just do 10. Straight 10. If main that enemy killed is equal is smaller than 10, we should get this, okay? But it's bigger than 10, we should get this. The problem is okay, let's do that. No. Or let's do an or here. Or as well. Uh Maybe I should do a nested if inside. No, no, absolutely not. This is not working. Let me do it like this. Maybe it's better. I know it's nested ifs and it's a bit bad for the environment. Cares. Let me copy this. If here, oh, without caps, don't scream at me. Do I have an indentation? No, not an indentation problem. It's a tolerance problem. Okay, let's see now. Let us see. Uh, hey, Adam Eatwood. Thank you, thank you. Thank you for joining. I don't think it's nice. It's close to the ads, but it's far from nice. But thank you so much. Hello and welcome to the stream. As you can see, I'm still struggling with some code. This Godot is not happy with me. Nor are the people that are watching. Anyway, why you are not happy? Tell me what's wrong with you. smaller. Thank you, thank you. It's struggle. Sometimes you pull it up. Sometimes you have to. Instead of going to search in all of the goddamn forums and stuff. I mean, that AI can help you a bit, but you don't overuse it. You don't break. If you don't break your brain first, you're not doing anything. That's correct. I mean, in Stack Overflow, you ask a question and you get shit on. So at least AI is like a friendly, friendly place. Stack Overflow is a bit full of elitists, in my opinion. I don't know, but it helps a lot of people. It helps a lot of people. Now, please work, or I'm gonna break this PC. Why? I don't know. Am I doing something incorrect? It's 0 min killed. Okay, let's do this. Just this alone. Uh, about something on Stack Overflow, instead of asking something you don't know, say something you know is wrong. Yeah, true. That's true. Okay, we're in the right path. If layer group dot size. Oh, let me pull back what was there. Just switch this to here. I mean, nowadays everyone is using AI, so there is no running from that. It makes searching very, very fast. You don't waste time looking for forums. But even though sometimes you really have to go through forums and stuff, like Overflow and places to find. Because sometimes the AI doesn't give you what you really want. Or it gives you something that is not correct, which is not what you really want. Okay, this should be working, I hope. No? No, you refuse? You still refuse. Uh, or yeah, but still, AI pulls stuff from the forums. And as I said, even though you ask some stuff, like general stuff, AI will provide you that. But if you have a very, very specific problem and stuff, AI will not be helpful. You better go through documentation and stuff. Uh, why? Why you are being so mad? I did all the logical problems that there are. Is there another operator in this GD script I don't know about? Comparison operators. in GD script. Let's check what the docs will tell us. Is it a comparison operator? I don't really remember what's their name. If else while match enums constant no. And or operators in GD script. Where is the documentation? It's the same page. Wow, I don't need that. That is uninteresting for me. Okay. I'm stuck in this. And main dot enemy killed is smaller or equal to 10. Usually it should be just smaller than 10, which is our percentage of the things, but okay. This should be like this. No, 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 no. Here. If wave main dot wave ended. Always have this wave ended. Ah, no. I guess I know what I have to do. Instead of doing it, I'll do another if here. Of course. It wouldn't be a programming session if there is not a lot of ifs. If wave ended, and another if. No, I just do end. Why do another if? We can do the same thing. I can just maybe create a function for that repetition, but it's okay, I guess. If our wave ended and our kill score is so low, we are losing. Let's go. We have to make this enemy size here. If wave ended enemy size is 0. I'll just add it there. And why are you not happy? I'll put you here, I guess. This is just about the enemy size. And this is just for the player when he dies. Here. Too many ends. And let's make this less. No, less than 0. Bigger than 0. Let's remove this from here. Keep it clean, keep it clean. Okay. Perfect. Maybe. So now, if the wave ends, enemy count are 0 in the scene, and we have 0 kill, less than 10 kills, or the percentage of the total of the enemies, we should get a game over screen. This will be fixed, the percentage. So you just like here is gonna be like something you have to protect. Let's see, now it has to be game over. Yes, game over. Okay. Now let's try killing 11 enemies, for example. Why do you spawn so fast? More soldiers. Okay, I have 10. I have that issue with collision, but it's okay, I guess. In this 11, I need victory. Okay. Now give me a victory. Perfect. We found the solution. Okay, yeah. Here's gonna be progress. Enemy wave progress, for example. I need this progress bar. I don't need to show percentage. What is this? When set to true, the progress bar indicates that something is happening with an animation. Does not show the fill percentage or value. Okay. What is this? I don't know what is this. Yeah, we have to fix the path in here. That is weird. I don't want that. No. Can I see the inspector? Thank you. Page, step, rounded. I think the step is the one that goes slowly. If greater than 0, the value will always be rounded. Page. Page size. Use many for scroll bar or scroll bar. Grab pressing link. No. If true, the mean value is greater or equal to 0, the value will be represented exponentially rather than whatever saying. Okay, 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 good. We are good on the right track. Uh, anyway, come on, guys. If you are here, join us in the chat. Let's talk about some game dev and some AI stuff. Maybe Unity as well. Maybe I might think about doing some Unity videos, go back to Unity and do some projects there. What I hate about Unity is that it's so slow. It's very slow. I don't know, it's bloated. But if they remove the bloat, it will be pretty nice. And their stupid decisions. But maybe sometime, maybe. Anyway, where were we? We have that, we have that. Maybe we show a kill score here. Let's just name this UI, for example. Let's fix this with UI here. It's gonna be here. And kill score, for example. No, label, label. Make it here. It here. And in the text. No. Script. Score Pepper, I guess. I don't know function here. Maybe instead of this, it's called traveler.text equal to str, I guess. If my memory doesn't fail me. str score kill. Then we fix a bit of this stuff. I wonder how I'm gonna do the audio for this. Okay, you know what? It's time for some audio. No, I need more soldiers. Hell yeah. There's one missing. Hell yeah. America. Anyway, let's go get some sound effects. freesound.org. This is my favorite place to get some free sounds. I'm not gonna use them commercially, it's just for videos and stuff, but there is licensing. Let me put it here. Licensing and stuff. So we wanna die. Zero contribution. Is it zero contribution or Creative Commons 0? I really don't remember. No. Creative Commons 0. Firefox uses AI to read the beginning of the page and generate view. Are you stupid? Man, I hate these implementations of AIs everywhere. This is perfect. I'm implementing this. I don't care. Let me log in with my account. Give me a moment, please. Log in and download. This is gonna be perfect. Let me create an audio file here. Audio. You come here. I do it for the enemy or for the... Why you're not important? What is wrong with you? Before. Something is wrong with this format. I just downloaded it. Okay, it says hello, Godot. Can I import, please? Okay, this is stupid. You know what? Let me record it myself. Okay. No. I'm just gonna put title. Find something else. That was funny, to be honest, to make it. Why is this is slow? Okay. It is not a drawing. What is that? This is a cry. No. What is that?
Die! You will die!
This sound, I love them, man. Healed, I guess. Maybe YouTube will ban me for this word. Ah, uh, death, I guess. Death sound effect. No. Let's try this wave. Let's import this one. Hopefully it does import this time. Okay, this one is important. Let's go to the enemy here. Audio stream player. Play. And let's go to the script. Where is it? Where did I put it? Here. So we take this. No, this one I'm gonna name it death effects audio. Let's import it here. These are just the small touches at the end. Stop play. Let's see how this one will sound. I think it's gonna be so loud. Ah. Let me do the import. Give me a moment. I don't know. Ah, yeah. Here, import. Loop mode disabled. Re-import. Maybe. Why it's not? This sound stuff in Godot is just weird. Always happen the same thing. Volume and size, max dB pitch. Playing, not play. Where is it? Play. I cannot write. Playing is equal to true. Okay, let's go. Let's see. Do you hear that? This is the sound of being annoyed. Like it repeats. I don't remember. I found the fix for this the other time, but now I really don't remember. Godot. Audio play too many times. Work on play. Check out this stream is already active. Is my stream is active? No, what did I do? Here. Stream pause. Max distance. No. If again. If not audio. What was its name? That audio. That is playing. Yes, this was the fixed play. Here. What's the problem? Playing called as a function. What am I doing? This should play one more time. One time. Okay. let me increase the speed. Where do I do the speed for this? Unit size. No. I think in this. I don't. Uh, Yo, hello. Sharky the cat pill. KT pill. Hello, welcome to the stream. Which scale? Let's take this. Wait. Blur. This is funny. Welcome to the stream, Sharky. Welcome to the stream. How are you? How's the evening going? Maybe we make it a bit longer, I guess. 0.2. What if we do it 0.25? It's gonna be fun, isn't it? Oh, I died. Trim? No, not trim. Maybe trim. It has a lot of. I will look for another voice. Okay, let's look for something else. Explosion. Explosion. That's not an explosion. That is way too dank. Okay. It's way too dank. The hell are these? That's nice for something else. It is not an explosion. Okay, that is way too dank. I don't want to fix them. Maybe I use this one. Where's Godot? Godot is here. Yeah, part this one as well. And let's add another audio. Stream 3D. I could have mixed them both. Instead of adding too many audios, I guess. Explosion. It's okay. I think it's okay. This is the explosion here. But play, I guess. And explosion. Pain. And not explosion. Play. Okay. Let's see now. Let's see. It's gonna be way too dank. Prepare, guys. Prepare. Okay, cool. Let's add some fire in power. Fire, not fire like. Oh, I'm gonna make SMG. SMG shot. Just one, just one. No, too much. Pistol. Let's do pistol here. I just need 1 second. Single distance. I don't know. What the hell is pistol cock? The name is in this place. Oh my god, my ears is gonna burst. It's so loud in the stream. Sorry, guys. I'm gonna lower a bit here. Oh my god. Okay. Maybe I use this. Bring Godot in. Let's go like this. Let's go to the player, I guess. In the script of the player. Instantiate. Instantiate here. Okay, let's add an audio. Audio stream 3D. Blah 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 blah. No, I already name it. Fire audio. And here, if not playing, no, it's not a function, always fire audio dot play. And let's do the pistol here. Let's try. Too much. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Anyway, guys, have to go for now. It's been a really pleasure streaming today. It's been fun. We did a lot of progress, and we maybe continue this project tomorrow, or I continue it off stream, and then I'll do a video about it. But for now, I really have to go, and that's it. Anyway, guys, see you tomorrow. No, tomorrow is the holidays. Maybe after tomorrow, 2 days from now. But tomorrow and after tomorrow are the holidays and the family and stuff. Uh, I will see the time and I will keep you guys on posted. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.